Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We will make a revision of Unit 1, Lesson 1 and 2. الدرس الأول والتاني. The first type of questions, complete. Number 1. Space, space, and space are primary light colors. The three primary light colors are red, green, and blue. Number 2. The materials that things can be seen through are called transparent, مواد شفافة. Number 3. The opaque material seems to be colored with the reflected color. الضوء اللي بينعكس من عليها. الأشياء المعتمة بتظهر بلون اللي بينعكس من عليها. Light reflects when it falls on reflecting surface. اللايت بينعكس على السطح العاكس. Strawberry fruits seems to be in red color because it reflects only the red color, so it seems red. 3. Red, green, and blue lights are called. Red, green, and blue are called primary colors, or primary colored light. Light space when it transfers between two transparent media. Between two transparent media light refracts, يعني بينكسر. Number 8. As the light falls on a green grass, the grass must absorb all colors except green. The grass must absorb all color except green, which is reflected on it, اللي بينعكس من عليه. Number 9. On mixing all the 7 spectrum colors. When we mix all the 7 spectrum colors, the white light is produced. Number 10. The light space when it transfers between two different transparent media. Light refracts. الضوء بينكسر لما ينتقل بين سطحين شفافين. Number 11. The material in which light can transmit. The material that in which light can transmit, المواد اللي يسمح أو تسمح للضوء بالانتقال خلالها called transparent، مواد شفافة. Number 12. The change in the direction of light. The change in the direction of light تغيير اتجاه الضوء when it passes through two transparent media. This process is called refraction. انكسار. اللايت لما يعدي between two transparent media بيغير اتجاهه، فبالتالي بنسمي العملية دي انكسار الضوء. Number 13. Light can easily transmit through transparent المواد الشفافة and translucent الشبه شفافة. Number 14. The prism separates sunlight into how many colors? المنشور الزجاجي بيفصل الضوء ل 7 spectrum colors. 7 spectrum colors ألوان الطيف السبعة. Number 15. Transparent colored objects have the same color with the light which transmitted. Transmitted يعني ينتقل خلالها. المواد الشفافة بتاخد لون اللي بينتقل خلالها أو الضوء اللي بينتقل خلالها. If the red light strike a white ball, it looks in red color. Red plus green plus blue هيديني white. From the properties of light: reflection, refraction, light travels in straight lines. من خصائص الضوء reflection, refraction, and light travels in straight lines. 19. Space is a darkened area. Darkened area, shadow. Darkened area, shadow. Okay. Light bouncing. Light bouncing يعني ارتداد الضوء after falling on an object. This process is called reflection يعني انعكاس. When light passes from glass to air, transparent to transparent, glass transparent, air transparent equal refract ينكسر. On mixing all the primary colors, when we mix all the primary colors red, green and blue, give us white. White light can split into 7 colors, are called spectrum colors. White light can split into 7 colors. These colors are called spectrum colors. Mixing green and blue gives what? Gives cyan. Cyan. Light blue. Cyan, light blue. أزرق فاتح. Space reflect its own color only. مين اللي بيعكس لونه هو فقط؟ الcolored opaque. While space allow its color only to pass colored transparent. ده اللي بيسمح للونه فقط إن هو يمر. إنما الcolored opaque هو اللي بيعكس لونه هو بس. Give reasons for. White light can be separated. White light can be separated because it consists of 7 spectrum colors. يتكون من 7 ألوان. The green color is considered as a primary color because it can't be produced by mixing any 2 colors. يعني ما نقدرش نجيبه بمixing أي لونين عشان هو primary. It is preferred to wear black clothes in winter. من المفضل إن إحنا نلبس ملابس سوداء أو غامقة في الشتاء because it absorbs all light colors عشان to be warm. Rainbow can be seen after heavy rain. The rainbow قوس قزح بيبان في السماء بعد المطرة طبعا because when sunlight لما الضوء يعدي passes from drop of rain to air it splits into 7 spectrum colors. لما يعدي من نقطة المية للهواء بينقسم ل 7 spectrum colors. Transparent and semi-transparent bodies appears color with the light that pass because it absorbs all light colors and passes its own color only لأنها بتمتص جميع الألوان وتعدي فقط لونها. Number 6. The moon can't be considered as a source of light. ليه القمر ما يعتبرش أو مصدر من مصادر اللايت because it reflects the sunlight. هو بياخد ضوء من الشمس وبيعكسه لينا. Images can be formed by using narrow holes because light travels in a straight line. لأن الضوء بيمشي في خط مستقيم. Seeing a spoon bent when immersing in a transparent cup of water due to light refraction. نتيجة انكسار الضوء. Number 9. We see the white object as it is. ليه بنشوف الوايت أبيض؟ علشان خاطر because it reflects all light colors. لأن white reflects all light colors. Yellow, magenta and cyan are called secondary colored lights because they are produced by mixing 2 primary colors. Anyone, yellow comes from green and red. Magenta comes from red and blue. Cyan comes from blue and green. Okay. 11. You can't see your image in plain mirror due to regular reflection. نتيجة الانعكاس المنتظم. The yellow banana appears black when we see it from green glass sheet. يعني بتبان إنها سودة لما نبص عليها من green glass sheet. أقول because the reflected yellow color can't pass through the green sheet. The reflected yellow color can't pass through the green sheet. Wood is an opaque material, while tissue paper is a translucent material. Because wood doesn't allow light to pass, but tissue paper allows some light to pass. Red, green, and blue are considered primary light colors because they can't be produced by mixing any two colors. مستحيل ان احنا نقدر نعملهم بمixing اي two colors. The green glass windows seems green when a white light strikes on it because it absorbs all light colors and passes only its color. It's a green color. What happens when, in each case, you look at your image from a transparent material? You see your image clearly. هتشوف صورتك بوضوح. You look at the plain mirror. You see your image. هنشوف صورتنا لو بصينا في المراية. You look at a spoon put in a beaker contains water. The spoon seems broken. Then bent or broken. Bent يعني مكسورة و broken يعني bent يعني متنية و broken يعني مكسورة. On mixing the 7 spectrum colors gives white. The 7 spectrum colors gives white. On passing a white light through a glass prism. Glass prism separate or split the white light into 7 spectrum colors. On mixing red and green. Mixing red and green gives the yellow color. Green light strike a black object seems black because it absorbs all light colors. When light strike a red apple, it absorbs all light colors and reflects the red color. This is the time for the scientific term. Write the scientific term. Darken area, shadow. The color we get by mixing two colors of the primary, secondary colored lights or secondary colors. Light energy that can be seen, visible spectrum. Visible spectrum. Okay. The materials which you can see object clearly behind and in full details, transparent. The 7 colors of light called the spectrum colors. Spectrum colors. Reflection of light on a surface of white paper, irregular reflection. ده ملغي. Okay. Number 6 here. Yellow, purple, and light blue light colors. Those colors are called secondary colors. The materials that don't allow light to transmit, an object can't be seen, opaque materials. The change in the light direction, تغيير اتجاه الضوء, refraction. Red, green, and blue, primary colored lights. The object can be seen with the color of the reflected light. المواد اللي بنشوفها بالضوء اللي بينعكس من عليها colored opaque material. Okay. The light results from mixing red, blue, and green, white. Red plus green plus blue gives white. The light that impossible to be produced by mixing two of the other light colors, primary colors. The colored light that can be get by mixing red and blue gives magenta. And the object reflect all light colors, those are the white light, or the white objects. Good, right, or wrong. The moon seems luminous because it reflects all light, reflects sunlight. Right. The picture formed on a plane mirror is inverted. Wrong. The plane mirror reverses it, or narrow holes instead of plane mirror. Object shadow formed because light travels in curved lines. No, straight lines. When a white light strikes a red rose, it reflects the white. Wrong. Reflects the red. Yellow, purple, and light blue are called the primary. No, those are secondary colored lights. If you look at a yellow banana through green glass sheet, it seems black. This is right. An object seems white since it reflects all light colors. Yes. Transparent object have the same color that doesn't travel? No, that travels. Cartoon paper is an opaque material. Right. The body nearer to the light source has a greater shadow. Right. The red color is the first spectrum light, while the violet is the last. This is right. Red, green, and blue are primary color. Yes. The green table reflects all light colors. Wrong. Reflect the green color only. Or white table reflect all light colors. Light is a form of energy. Yes, light is a form of energy. Rainbow is formed when a sunlight separates the moonlight, that separates the sunlight. Mixing red, green, and blue gives white. Yes. The green table reflects all light colors. This is repeated. No. The green reflects the green color. The white reflects all light colors. Yes. Choose the correct answer. Here we'll choose the correct answer. Light rays that can be seen are called, the light energies that can be seen are called the visible spectrum. We can see things due to reflection. Which of the following consider a secondary color? Yellow. Light propagates in space lines straight. Light can't pass through opaque material. Red, green, and blue are called primary. Speed of light in water slower than in air, because the speed of light in air faster than in water. So the water slower than air. If you put an object at a distance 20 cm in front of mirror, the distance between the image and the mirror equal 20, because it is a plane mirror. The plane mirror, the distance between object and mirror equal the distance between image and the mirror. يعني المسافة بين صورتك والمراية هي المسافة بينك انت وبين المراية. Okay. The second spectrum color orange. The transparent and translucent object have the same color. Transmitted. Transparent, transmitted. Mixing space gives magenta, red, and blue. The black board absorbs all light colors. Okay. Okay. Thank you and goodbye.